Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. I'm Anubhav and welcome to my new episode. And I'm gonna show you today a new omelette recipe which is famous throughout the world, and it is from the Afghanistan. So yes, it's the Afghani omelette which is famous all over the world. So that's the thing I'm going to show you today, how to prepare it at your home very easily. So let's come with me and quickly check out the recipe. For the Afghani omelette, 1 tablespoon of oil added into my pan, and after that just add 1 tablespoon of butter. Once it's heated, I'm going to add 1 medium size of potato cubes and saute it bit of time. After that add 1 chopped medium onion and saute it. Once the onion translucent, add 1 medium size of chopped tomato into the mixture and saute it until all becomes like a soft. So after that I'm going to add 2 teaspoons of white pepper powder, and 1 teaspoon of salt. Mix it well. I'm just cover it with a lid for a few minutes. So after 10 minutes open the lid and mix it all the things properly. Once it's cooked properly, spread it all over the pan and break 5 eggs on top of the mixture, like this how I'm going to do. After that add some split green chilies, sprinkle chopped coriander leaves and sprinkle some smoked paprika. Just cover it with the lid. After 10 minutes later, just sprinkle pinch of salt on top of this and bit of white pepper powder. So now just cook it for a few minutes so that it will become set, and scrape it from all the corners. So now your omelette is ready. And this is your Afghani omelette. If you like it, please don't forget to subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon to get the notification at first, and like and share my videos. If you want to know anything, you can comment me below.